if you are looking for a remote jobs, then come closer, because I got a new opportunity for you. There is this new platform that hires computer literate people. All you have to do is to help train AI by reviewing reasoning, writing some step-by-step solution, and evaluating some code quality, and also improving in AI model assistance. And the beautiful part is that if you have a degree in computer science, or if you have a skill in Python or JavaScript, then you are qualified. But if you don't have any degree, you can still apply. All you need is for you to pass some qualification exams. They are going to confirm your ID verification. Then once they confirm your ID verification and you are being accepted, then you are good to go. And at the end, you are going to get paid to about $20 to $50 per hour. I'm not assuring everybody that you are going to earn up to $20 to $50 per hour. Every earnings differs. I only give you remote jobs opportunity that can help you. And the beautiful part about this particular new platform is that it is globally. Yes, especially English speaking countries. But before I show you, you know what to do. Tell me in the comment section where you are watching from, and if you are interested in this remote job AI, drop in your comment remote jobs and I will know you are interested. I will be in the comment section to reply to as many comments as I can. Only interested remote jobs lovers only. I don't need any other person interested. Come with me, let's go right now. The name of this particular remote job AI is called Telus International AI, known as Telus Digital AI. So now click on their website. Once you click on their official website, then wait for it to open, to load. Okay, now it has opened. Now they said get paid for your skill and shape the future of AI. Work from anywhere on your own schedule. Join our 1 million plus global community. So if you remember, like I told you, it is only best for people that study geography, maths, finance, or the people that did about computer science, especially people that are that studied Python and JavaScript. Now you can actually explore this opportunity, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to sign up, because you are going to be using your email. You see, almost every remote jobs uses email to sign up. Okay, and once you accepted, you get paid. So you can actually be part of this global community that powers AI. Don't worry, just listen to this video. Okay, calm down. I'm going to show you how you are going to sign in. Don't be in a rush. Okay, they have paid up to $750 million plus dollars to people, and these are countries to over 104 plus countries are available to use this platform, and it is a work remotely from anywhere, flexibility opportunity, get paid for your skill that shape AI. Now the beautiful part of this particular AI is that you can actually get started in just 4 simple steps. Did you see? Just simple, 4 simple steps. So, and the first one is you need to find a relevant jobs. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to access these 4 simple steps. Discover work that you love and apply it in seconds. Then the second one is on board with ease. Apply for job and qualify to get started. It is very, very simple. Okay, then work anywhere, anytime. Work flexibility with a schedule built around your life. Like it is a work that you can do anywhere at your own schedule, at your own convenient time. Fourth one is competitive pay. A lot of people are trying to get paid, and the beautiful part is that they have a fast payout. Yes, you get rewarded for your efforts on time and every single time that you want to pay. And these are the top opportunities available. These are all jobs. You can apply for math, you can apply for science, engineering, medicine, law, so long that you are computer literate. Yes, because all these available jobs are mostly computer literate. Okay, and here are the top jobs you can apply. You can apply for AI voice data specialist. You can apply for AI data specialist in Spanish. You can apply for Japanese. You can apply for AI community. You can apply for full stack AI logistics, depending on the one you love to do. Okay, so you can actually click here to discover more job opportunities. That is, if you want, depending on the one you love. And the beautiful part is that they are going to tell you how much they will be paying you per hour. Yes, $20 to $50. Like I told you, some they pay them $25 per hour, some they pay them $12 per hour, some they pay them $20 per hour. It depends. Okay, it depends. And here, these are people you can actually hear from them. These are almost expertise, people that are experts in these things. Yes, you can meet them and they will coach you. Okay, so these are their frequently asked questions, what people have been asking to get these remote jobs. Okay, so make sure you calm down and read it carefully. Okay, so now time to go to how you are going to sign in. Now if you want to sign in, you just click on this three dots here, then you click on login/sign up. So once you click on it, to bring you to this interface where you're going to log in or create an account. Yes, login is for people that already have an account, but sign up is for people that is signing in as a beginner. Okay, so like I said, you can actually continue with Google or you continue with your email. So I'll actually advise you should go with Google. It's almost the same thing with email. So I'll click on the Google and you start signing me in. So I will click on my email. Then once I click on my email, then it will start loading. So once your email has started been loading, don't worry, you are going to sign in. They will tell you continue. You are going to click continue here. Once you continue, to make sure that the email is legit, you are signing in with the right email. Okay, so now it's just a simple one-time login. You are in. Okay, it's going to bring you to this interface where you can actually agree and continue to their service level agreement. Okay, so it's just very simple. Click on this accept and continue. It will start accepting. Now we are here to set up our profile in just a second. So you need to upload a resume, yes, or you upload you start it from scratch. It's just 10 minutes. Okay, let's say you click on this place. This is where you're going to put your personal details. You put your first name. Let's say my first name is Uchenna, then my last name is Paul, because from my email they have already brought out my name from my email. So here you put your date of birth. Let's say your date of birth is 1991, let's say. So once you have put your date of birth, that is 34 years old, you identify your gender, whether you are a male or a female or others. You click on male. So here is highest education. You can select from it. If you have a master's degree, a bachelor's, you can click on doctorate. Depending on the one you have, select your highest education. Let's say I have a master's degree. Then you put your address. Once you put your address, you put your city, you put your zip code. Then you put years in your current country. Like if you want it 3 years, 3 to 5 years, let's say you click on 3 years. Then you come here, you put your address. Let's say the name of my address is house number. I can just put 19 Uzama Street. Then let's put it like that. Then city, let's say the city is just Enugu city. Let's say Enugu, but if you are, just make sure you put your city. Yes, make sure you put your current city. I'm just using this one for the case of this tutorial. Okay, then you put your zip code. Let me put my own zip code. Once I put it, you click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it will start processing. Then that is when you now enter the second step, because like they told you that you're going to enter in 4 simple steps. Okay, now the second step is languages you know. Yes, let's say if you are in English, Yoruba, English, Hausa, Latin. If you, this is only for English speaking countries. Okay, so if you can add, you can still add more languages. Let me say I will just click on English Nigeria. Then you select your proficiency, your primary languages. your primary languages. You set it as your primary languages. You click on save, then your language updated successfully. So guys, we are now moving to the third stage. You click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you start loading your skill. This is where you need to put the sample and skills of what you want to do. Okay, so let's say I'll come here, work samples or profile links. If you have any work sample from your previous remote work, you can put the link. Then if you don't have, you can add more skills here. Let's say, let me add more skill. If it's your first time, search or select a skill. If you are into energy, let me just put anyone for the sake of this tutorial. Data and backend. Then proficiency, you make sure you put as a beginner. Yes, as a beginner. Then you click on add skill. Then we are moving to the last one, which is first one. You click on continue, and guys, it will start verifying. Yes, this is just a process of them verifying to know the email you put, if it is correct, the details, your work, everything. Just make sure that everything is correct. Yes, now this is where you are going to tell them where you are from. Yes, here you need to select your country of residence to learn how your personal data will be processed, because it's from that your countries of residence they will know how to process your own personal data. Your own data and another person's data might not be the same. And all other countries except this United States of Africa, but other countries have their own personal data. Okay, so like me, I'm not in United States, I'm in other countries. I'll click on it, then click on continue. So in here they will have to confirm that they make sure they read all this thing. Now this is where you are going to put your phone number verification. They are going to verify your phone number, so you have to enter a phone number. If you're in Nigeria, then let me search for Nigeria. So click on Nigeria, then go and put your country code. Okay, just be watching. Okay, so I'll put it. They will now send me a verification code. Once they send you a verification code, then you will now wait for the verification code to land on your phone. Once your phone number has been verified, yes, this is actually where you can now find your career for this Telux Digital. You can see the customer experience, transform how customer connect with brand worldwide. Yeah, you can search for roles depending on the one you want to do. Now the available positions are customer service representatives, customer support specialist, customer success manager, contact center supervisors, digital. Depending on the one, just search for roles, the one that will fit you. Okay, now this one are for digital solutions. Like I told you, it is an AI that will train for writing solutions and all of that. Okay, you give people solution with the use of this AI and all of that. Then this one is for AI community. Then this is you search for roles. That once you have searched for roles, then you are good to go. Okay, so if this video actually helped you get this remote job done, and if you will be trying it, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below remote jobs available, so that you know you've watched to this point. Okay, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So see you in my next video. Bye.